Welcome to the Master Your Money course, designed for Canadians who want to take control of their finances and have a lasting impact. My name is Rick Ruda, and I have 2 decades investing in real estate. I'm an author of a book on Amazon.ca. I've personally invested in GICs, the stock market, and mutual funds, and have many years of experience doing that. And I used to work in the insurance industry for several years. By the time you complete this course, you'll have a clear plan on how to save, pay off debt, and invest. You'll have the confidence to make smart money decisions and a mindset shift that transforms your life. In the next 60 minutes, we'll be covering budget, net worth, debt payment strategies, saving steps and ideas, investing fundamentals, financial freedom plan, and insurance. The content is comprised of video lectures and text. You'll get a free budget tracker as well as a free net worth calculator. There'll also be quizzes to test your knowledge along the way. This course is designed for people tired of living paycheck to paycheck, struggling to build savings or pay off debt, and want to confidently grow your wealth to plan for a better future. I invite you to look at the course description, go through some of the free preview content, and then enroll so you could begin your journey to financial freedom.